Hi everyone, in this video we again have a 2-move checkmate. It is white's turn. If you guys want you can pause the video. Alright, so this one's actually quite tricky, but you have to realize a few things. First, the opponent's queen is pinned. So in this position, if it was a black's turn, they can't actually move the queen. Well, actually they can move it, but it has to move along the same diagonal as the bishop. And they can also use the rook. King can't go anywhere, right? So this actually gives us some opportunities to try to manipulate what black can play. So in this position, if the queen wasn't here, you would really want to move the queen to c8. But again, there's a problem. Then your queen would actually be pinned. So we also have to move the king out of this rank somehow. That would be ideal. So then you'll look into some ideas with the king, how you can try to move it that way. So if you try to go somewhere like h8, the answer is correct. Good job. If you try to go somewhere like g8, then it actually doesn't become a checkmate in 2 moves. It becomes a checkmate in 3 moves. And I'll go over that in a second, but let's go over the correct idea. So the reason why you move the king to here is that so that our queen is no longer pinned. And if they move the rook anywhere, like along the a file, then their queen is hanging. So with the help of the bishop, we can just capture the queen. If they try to capture our bishop, then we can move the queen to c8, as we were saying. This is also going to be a checkmate. If the king goes somewhere like g8, or realistically any other square as well, the queen can actually do a check, right? So we're going to do our second move to capture the queen back. And obviously white is absolutely crushing, but the point is to do it in 2 moves. And this is our second move. And we didn't get to do the checkmate. We can obviously capture this, but this turns into a 3-move checkmate, which is what the answer is not asking. So that's why king h8 is the only correct idea. In some other positions, like in other questions that I put on this channel, there are usually ideas like bishop c6, right? But if this was a pawn, that could work, but like in this position it doesn't really happen. Since our queen is still pinned, right? That would actually be a major blunder in this position. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.